On here. So we're here in Clovis, California. We got pool heating equipment back here, 400,000 BTUs, and then an inch and a half. It looks like it could be one of the anodeless risers that PG&E uses in the tracer wire. It's a little thinner gauge than what we use, but tracer wire stubbed up, and it just bells a little shut-off valve right into the unit. So that would need to get popped apart, inch and a half by 3/4 by potentially 3/4, 1 inch line. Just depends on how many BTUs this fire pit's going to be. So we're a total of about 20 feet away. So as you can see, walking over here, we've got pool equipment over there, and then right here, center of fire pit. So we need to get dug up 20 inches, get the 2 anodeless risers, the poly pipe, tracer wire, get it stubbed up, and of course he's got form boards up already, so that's nice. We need to be 6 inches above that because we can't be any further, any deeper than that. So what we'll do is we'll go home and get you a proposal on this and get back to you with that maybe later this afternoon, first thing tomorrow. Outside of that, this inspection is done.